Okay. Jefferson County Court, law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session in 2 cases. They are cause numbers 24 CCCR 0130 and cause number 25 CCCR 1394. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus William Chaz Page. Mr. Page, is that your full name?
Yes.
Mr. Page, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Page, do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Page, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Page?
Better.
That's good. Now, Mr. Page, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Mall for Provo. Ms. Provo, how are you doing? And Ms. Provo, do you waive a record in Mr. Page cases?
We do, Your Honor.
State is represented in these cases by Attorney Andrew Huber. Attorney Huber, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
Yes. Mr. Page, I have before me on my computer in cause number 25 CCCR 1394, a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, William Chaz Page, on or about September 30th of 2023, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. Mr. Page, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. Page, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No problem.
Now, you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Page, I also have before me a document on my tablet that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials, WP, on a line next to a box that's checked to contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? The page before you sign and initial these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes,
to the
sir.
best of your knowledge?
Yeah.
Mr. Page, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Yep, stage one.
Any objection? No objection. States exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Ms. Provo, you have advised and counseled Mr. Page. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Page, your attorney, Ms. Provo, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
Has she provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Mr. Page, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
What is the agreement?
The agreement in this case is to 90 days probated over 1 year with a $100 fine plus court costs and 40 hours community service. The state is giving credit for 5 days on this case towards finding court costs.
And the companion case, is that being dismissed?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Provo, were you appointed in these cases?
Yes, Your Honor. 2 things.
She has two cases, 250 on one.
So one of them being dismissed, so I guess it would be 300, huh? I need
Uh,
to change
Actually, this will be 350. She was just appointed today, right?
I was looking at that old one.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be 350, it's gonna be 425? How we doing?
Actually, it'll be 425. No, it'll be actually 400 because it'll be, that old case was a 24 case.
Oh, so 400 total?
Yeah, that's what we do 50 on the old case.
Oh.
So it'll be four. Okay, that's four. What's this? 100. What's the courthouse?
277.
277. So that's going to have to go. It's going to zero out the fine court cost. Um, okay. Okay, Mr. Page, the state is offering that you serve 90 days in jail, but you will not have to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you're required to pay a fine of $100 plus court costs of $277, which comes to a total of $377. You will be given 5 days credit towards your fine and court costs, which means that your fine and court costs will be zeroed out. And you'll be required to pay a probation fee of $6 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. You also be required to reimburse Jefferson County Court appointed attorney's fees of $400. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month while you're on probation, is $120 a month. Will you be able to pay the $120 each month?
Sure.
You will also be required to perform 40 hours of community service and adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. The state will be dismissing cause number 24 CCCR 0130. Mr. Page, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think the state's offer in this case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
Do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Mr. Page, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Page, just have a seat. She has to make some adjustments on the paperwork. And once you make those adjustments, you can follow the directions of the bailiff. And once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. You will also get a copy of this dismissal. And this will conclude the calling of the court's trial docket, motion to revoke probation docket, excuse me, not motion, the pretrial conference docket and the announcement docket. All three dockets were scheduled on today's date, June 23rd, 2025. In County Court, Law number 2, Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day. Prosecutors, you're excused, and Miss Provo, you are also excused. And have a blessed day.